This is the LCP 100 HPLC Column Washing Pump, right? This is the functional keyboards, and this is the LCD, this is the SS here, this is the outlet box. Okay, we have defined that this is the mobile phase, this is the inlet tubing, this is the inlet, this is the outlet, this is the drainage, this is the prime purge valve, and this is the attachment. You can connect maximum 5 columns. As per the knowledge, when you start the flow, set flow, we can press 1 and 0, 0, 0. You can set 1 ml per minute per column. As per your requirement, if you connect the 4 column, you set 4 ml per minute. This is the ml per minute. This is the PSI, your pressure. This is the ideal condition. We can set the by menu. This is the set stop time. We can set by enter key. We can set hours and minute as per your requirement. Maximum 24 hours we can set. After finishing the hours or minute, automatically stop the functioning of this unit. Again, you can set pressure limit. Enter key. Highest pressure 4500 psi. Low pressure is 0 psi. You always put the low pressure 0 psi. If you that pressure increase above 4500 psi, then it will automatically stop the functioning. As per your requirement of below that 4000 psi high pressure, as per your requirement of the customer. Press menu button it outside, press enter another time menu button is the pressure unit. You can set as per your requirement of pressure unit, psi bar kg per centimeter. Again, you can set the prime purge valve. It is the default prime purge valve set 5 seconds 5 ml per minute. Again, press menu button. Again, press menu button. We can set prime purge time. Enter. This is a 90-second default time. Menu button. This is the set menu setting of LCP 100. Okay. This is the mobile phase. You have the filter inside that. This is the drainage. This is the outlet goes to the attachment. We can set here 2 column and other are block by blockage. This is the input. This is the output of the access block. If you want run the unit, then press run button. It will start again. If it get increase up to 1 ml per minute, 2 ml per minute, because we have set out 2 ml per minute, right? Then start the from outlet and getting the 1 ml distributed out column.